Atlantic L-Series are large, specialized pumps designed for low-head, very high-volume applications. The first thing you'll notice is the weight of the heavy-duty box, with its single label on one side. You will need help pulling these pumps out. Don't forget to take out the manual, the only other thing in the box. This is the L310 axial flow pump. Axials work in a different way than most other direct drives. Unlike the impellers of centrifugal pumps, which sling water out sideways at 90 degrees to the pump shaft inside a constricting volute, developing high pressure at the expense of volume. These pumps accelerate the water along the pump shaft's axis, delivering high volume at relatively low head. Imagine a propeller attached to a motor suspended in the center of a tube. Water enters at the bottom and is accelerated out the top along the same axis by the rotating propeller. These are so-called axial flow pumps, delivering very high volumes efficiently if plumbed correctly, but at relatively low head heights. They're best for moving water over wide, low falls under 10 foot of head. Because they don't produce a lot of head pressure, they need to be plumbed to keep friction to an absolute minimum. The best practice is to move up to 4-inch pipe as close as possible to their 3-inch discharges. The two axial pumps in the line, the L305 and L310, are massive stainless steel and cast iron cylinders 9 inches in diameter and a full 19 1/4 inches tall. L-Series pumps are built for the long haul, with long-lasting double silicone carbide seals and dual drive bearings that are replaceable for long service life well past their 2-year warranty. Overload and thermal protection help keep internals safe from damage and abuse, and generous 30-foot cords provide the reach and versatility needed for larger water features. And these are definitely pumps for larger features. The L305 pushes 11,880 gallons per hour at 2 foot for 700 watts, dropping to around 5,000 at 13 foot, delivering 14,650 gallons per hour at 3 foot of head for 1,105 watts. The L310 pushes 7,380 GPH at 15 foot. Obviously, sticking to the best efficiency ranges in low-head applications with large diameter pipe is the way to go. Also, like the other direct drives in the lineup, these axials must be kept fully submerged, past their heavy-duty handles. All of the electronics are at the top of these upright pumps, so although they will work for a while partially submerged, they'll eventually overheat if used in shallow water, or in too shallow a pond skimmer or pump fault. Tech tip: use a threaded 3-inch slip by FBT elbow on the 3-inch MPT discharge of the pump to fit them into the PS 15000 pond skimmer or PV 15000 pump fault, and set your autofill to keep water levels high. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the impressive Atlantic L-Series axial flow pumps, but we're afraid to ask. You can find out more about this and all our products on our website and YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.